Float all the way out. Done. Everybody, we'd like to show you how we work with unusual cases. Sometimes we have patients that come in that have repairs, surgical repairs, needed these spacers put in, and the orthopedic surgeon put in a series of bolts and bars in here. So you could actually move these three if you're doing it very carefully and with the right direction. C2, Gonstead listing, PLS. Float all the way out. Done. Soft piezoform. I'm going to draw straight down first to just give it a little bit of a lift. And all I'm doing now is applying pressure. And I'm just going to give it the littlest impulse. There. That's it.